Now coming to the story, okay, I will read and then I will explain you. Mr. Ghost's house was just behind the station. He brought me a cup of sweet milky tea and two large rasgullas. So I want you to open page number 5 and read line by line, okay. Now see, the story starts from Mr. Ghost's house. Who is Mr. Ghosh? Mr. Ghosh is the name of the station master. I told you he helped the boy when he get down from the train at Lucknow. So at Lucknow he met Mr. Ghosh, and Mr. Ghosh was very kind station master. He understood that the boy was very little, he could not do anything on his own. So he helped the boy and he took the boy to his own house and sent a telegram to his grandfather. Okay, so now when the little boy reached Mr. Ghosh's house, he gave the boy something to eat, and what he gave him to eat? He gave him a milk tea as well as two rasgullas to eat. Now let me show you my family, he said, and he took me by hand and led me to the veranda at the back of the house. He wanted to, Mr. Ghosh wanted that the boy should feel comfortable. He was with a stranger. He was not knowing Mr. Ghosh, and Mr. Ghosh wanted to talk to boy so that he becomes little comfortable in his house. So in order to do so, what he did, he invited the boy to come. I will show you my house, and he holded his hand and took him to where? To veranda. This was a miniature railway complete with station, railway bungalows, signal boxes, and next to it a miniature fairground complete with swings, a roundabout, and a Ferris wheel. So he took him to, Mr. Ghosh took the boy to where? To veranda, and when the boy reached there, what he saw? He saw a miniature model. Okay, like your school. In school, whenever exhibition is there, you also make model of Taj Mahal, model of your Holy Cross school. Like that only a miniature model. एक छोटा सा model था railway station का. The miniature model of railway station was there, where platforms were there, trains were there, railway tracks were there, then railway bungalows were there, signal boxes. You can see here. Okay, this was the miniature model. You see the figure. So everything small, everything was present there. Also, just you see, after miniature railway was there, which was complete with a station, railway bungalows, signal boxes. Okay, just beside that, a miniature model of fairground was there. Mela. Fairground means Mela. Whenever you go to fairground or Mela, what do you see? You see so many swings, different variety of you can say thela, okay, you see, no, and different stalls where different things are being sold. So here one miniature model of fairground was also there, where many kinds of swings were there, and the name of the swings you can see roundabout, a Ferris wheel. Ferris wheel, you can see the meaning is a huge revolving wheel with passenger cars usually found in fairs. So वो big round, merry-go-round, we call it merry-go-round, which has a box, okay, where you can sit and you can close that box and it will take a round like this. That we call merry-go-round or Ferris wheel. So many swings were there. You can see here so many miniature models of swings were there. 15 to 20 white mice were dancing on the roundabout and Ferris wheel. You can see so many small white mice here in the picture. So there were about 15 to 20 white mice who were enjoying in Ferris wheel. Another dozen or so ran in out of tunnels and climbed up on a toy train. So एक मॉडल रखा हुआ था, एक छोटा सा मॉडल रखा हुआ था जहाँ पे रेलवे स्टेशंस था, और उसके जिस बगल में एक मेले जैसा मॉडल बना हुआ था जिसमें फेरीज व्हील, different kinds of swings were there, and some white mices were there. Okay, and about 20 to 15 mices were there who were enjoying. Some of them were enjoying all the swings, ride of swings, and some of them were running up and down of the train, going inside the station and coming out. And this one thing more, this is not real, this is a model, एक miniature model, एक छोटा सा model है, and in that this white mices are what? Playing. Mr. Ghosh pressed the button and the little train crowded with white mice left the station and went rattling off to far corner of verandas. Okay, rattling sound. Now I will explain you what is a rattling sound. Now suppose we all have piggy bank, right? Suppose this is my piggy bank. Suppose this is my piggy banks and I have kept so many coins in this. Okay, now I will do it like this. Can you hear this sound? So disturbing, continuous disturbing sound is there. Now this kind of sound is known as what? Rattling. खनखनाहट की आवाज़. Okay, छनछनाना या फिर खनखनाना. Okay, this छनछनाना, this type of sound is known as what? Rattling sound. Hope this is clear to you. I will give you word meanings. So Mr. Ghosh pressed a button and the little train crowded with white mice left the station and went rattling off to far corner of the veranda. Okay, now what happened? You have seen toy train. So this mini model of train was like a toy train. Mr. Ghosh pressed one button and the train loaded with white mice started taking a round of the veranda, and veranda was not very small, it was a big veranda, and the toy train loaded with mice started taking a round of the veranda, and the boy was so much surprised to see all these things. Okay, now you see here, you see the figure and you can just imagine what must be the scene. Hope this much is clear to you. You can write the meaning of rattling. Series of, I will have to turn the camera 1 minute. Write a series of knocking sound. A series, rattling is what? A series of knocking sound. Meaning of rattling. I have told you take something and just do like this. The type of sound comes no continuously. That kind of sound is known as what? Rattling sound. A series of knocking sound. If somebody knocks the door continuously, that can be also called rattling. Okay. So train with a rattling sound, it started moving around the veranda in the railway track. So it was like a toy train. Clear? Now open page number 6. It was also impressive. I told you, boy was very much impressed with this idea of Mr. Ghosh. When he saw all this miniature model of fairground and railway station with all the small details. एक रेलवे स्टेशन में जो भी चीज़ें होती हैं लाइक सिग्नल्स, रेलवे ट्रैक्स, रेलवे बंगलोज, फ्लैट, एवरीथिंग वाज देयर. एंड इवन इन द फेयर ग्राउंड. ओके, एक मेले में जो भी चीज़ होती है, जितनी तरह की झूले होती हैं, स्टॉल्स होता है, एवरीथिंग वाज देयर एंड द बॉय वाज सो मच इम्प्रेस्ड विद द वाइट माइस. Okay, so many white mice were enjoying the Ferris wheel, that swing they were enjoying also. Some of them were loaded in the train, and then Mr. Ghosh pressed one button and it started moving also. So this was so nice that the boy was impressed with the idea of Mr. Ghosh. Have you all opened page number 6? Now let's see the first one. By the time grandfather arrived, I had fed biscuit to mice and fallen asleep in a huge armchair in the Mr. Ghosh's living room. So now in this time, Mr. Grandfather of the boy has arrived the place. Okay, until then what boy was doing in order to pass his time? He fed some of the biscuits to white mice. Okay, he gave biscuits to white mice to eat, and then what he did? He just fell asleep. Okay, वो सो गया है. Where? In the huge armchair of Mr. Ghosh. Armchair means that rocking chair, you know, rocking chair. Armchair means a chair, आरामदायक chair. We call it rocking chair also. So in huge rocking chair of Mr. Ghosh, this boy fell asleep. I woke up to find the station master busy showing grandfather his little railway colony of white mice. And then suddenly when this boy woke up, he saw that the grandfather has already reached the place and he was busy talking with Mr. Ghosh, and Mr. Ghosh was proudly showing his creativity, that miniature model of railway station and the miniature model of fairground to whom? To grandfather. He was very proud of his creation and he was very proudly showing his creation to grandfather. And then in middle, boy woke up. Grandfather was interested in the toy train, but he said polite things about mice, commending their pink eyes and pretty lithe feet. Mr. Ghosh beamed with pleasure and sent out for some more rasgullas. Okay, so Mr. Ghosh loved white mice. Okay, and that is why so many 20 to 15 white mice you could see in the figure also. So many white mice were there. When Mr. Ghosh was showing off his creation to grandfather, grandfather was much more interested in the toy train and least interested in the white mice. But grandfather understood that Mr. Ghosh loved the white mice very much. In order to that he should not feel bad, he started praising white mice. What he said, let's see. He started commending their pink eyes. He praised the pink eyes of little mice. Okay, and pretty lithe feet. You can see the meaning, thin